I remember when I was a kid and people used to ask me, what you want to do in your life? Then I used to think that what is that thing which cannot be achieved? What is that thing which is impossible for me? And I used to think that I'm gonna be the most successful, as we think in that terms at that age, in the world. And even I used to firmly believe in this. But what I realized is gradually that as I started growing, because of all those social conditioning and what I heard from the society, I have witnessed that somewhere when I just grow up, my dreams started just going down and I was so afraid. I have encountered fear in my life. The child which was the kid and who was not even afraid of even saying and telling about the dreams and even firmly believing that I'm going to achieve those things. That child has started, I started killing that child. And I realized that, and I have started reading different books and witnessing different people's life. Then I realized that what is happening with we all is we start forgetting that child. So when we are very young, just ask yourself this question: what was your dreams at that time? At that time you were wanted to do every possible thing. You never thought that okay, I won't be able to do this thing, because our dreams are very high. And even we have that trust over our capabilities, potentialities at that time. But as we grow up, because of so many different reasons, I don't know how we become so fearful from within. So that's what happened with myself, and for that I need to overcome those fears which are still there. But I have worked a lot on all those to realize and to analyze from a witness point. So I was able to figure out what is the root cause which is causing us to fear a lot, and who are contributors of killing that child within. That child who is not afraid of even thinking of the biggest dreams and even super confident about achieving those. That child is lost somewhere within all of us. So I examined over myself. Even, I was shocked. Where all those enthusiasm, all the confidence has gone. And it's not the case with me. Many of us, all of us, have a very different sort of dreams which we wanted to do. But what happens gradually as we grow, we started settling for less. I don't know, where is that fire within? Where is that confidence? Where is that clarity? Or where is that spontaneity have gone? There are many factors, there are many reasons, because people around are, they're telling, okay, I'm good enough, you cannot do all these things, you cannot do this thing and that thing. And unfortunately, we believed all this. We were wrong there. And now, what happened in my life was that I heard all this, I was fearful at some point in my life. But what I did was, I started questioning those people. That why? Okay, if I cannot do, and if I have to fit in the norm, fit in some certain set of norm, but why? It's okay, I believe you, but why? Give me the reason. But what happens is most of us don't ask this question, we just believe silently and we start acting in the same way. And our dreams and that child is gone somewhere, is lost somewhere. So questioning is very important, and I'm really glad that I have questioned that in the early stage of my life, that I started questioning, constant questioning. Okay, in a respectful manner, okay, if you're saying something, that's fine, but why? Why I cannot do this? What is the thing? There's nothing which we cannot learn, there's nothing which cannot be done. Because we all are human beings. We are so supreme. We are so powerful. So everything can be done. It's just when we start taking others' opinions and we believe it as our own reality, we are limiting our own self. We have the obligation towards divinity. We have the supreme responsibility to utilize our hidden gifts hidden blessings which has been bestowed over us. Why we are allowing the people to kill that inner child which was alive and which wanted to create something substantial in our life. So the message for all of us today is that keep that inner child alive within yourself, and whensoever you witness that you are becoming more fearful, you start doubting yourself, then know that that inner child is just getting lost somewhere, and kindle that. And if somebody is trying to limit you, or somebody come and just tell you, okay, you cannot do this thing or you cannot do that thing, just ask why. No, nothing else is required. Just ask why I cannot do it. Yeah, then see the drama, because people don't have the answer of those questions, because you know what, they don't have any authority to tell you that you cannot do or you cannot or you can. You know why? Because they have never done that themselves. So if they have not done this, what is that authority of which they are saying that you cannot do this, you cannot do that? You are your better judge. But at the same time, I will also recommend to just consult, have a talk, discuss with the people who have already gone through the same path and have created something substantial in the same path. So just taking opinion from people is highly crucial, whom to take and whom not to take. So keep that inner child alive in you, who is not afraid of dreaming anything, of doing anything, who is spontaneous, who is alive, brimming with joy every moment. That child is hidden within you. Awaken that and never ever allow anything, anybody to kill that. Keep that alive and just walk ahead with courage, because the child is never fearful. So when we become fearful because that child, we have killed that child, it has lost somewhere. So keep that child alive, be jolly, and just don't be afraid of anything, and don't ever in your life be afraid of just dreaming more and bigger, because till your last breath you can create anything substantial. You can add value to massive amount of people in your life, because it's just what you think, because whatsoever you think you become. So why not think something bigger? Why settle for less? And why listen to those people who have not created anything in their whole life, but they come as an authority to tell you so many things? Come on, they're not eligible for that. So respectfully, you can ask this question, why? And then enjoy the drama. This is the thing which I have applied in my own life, and I've seen the drama. So this is how we together learning and growing. And because this life is too short for cribbing and complaining, so why not uncover our potentials and align our life in tune with this. With this message, I would like to end the video. Keep spreading all the love, all the enthusiasm, and help each other to become the best version of themselves. If you found this video valuable, you can share it with many people. And stay tuned for more such profound wisdom directly coming from my own concrete experiences, from straight to your heart. Thank you so much.